previously with regards to the approach on the bureaucratic accountability or operational value. I think if we bring that up kind of a level down, I think it's a relevant framing to talk about the enablement part of it, right? Because as a control function, just like HR, for instance, you would probably see a lot of people that HR teams that say they are in some way enabling the business, but that the employees don't necessarily feel that HR as a department has their best interests in mind, right? And this thing that we do here called security, right? This is not just a thing that like we looked at it 20, 30 years ago, where we kind of throw a couple of controls over the fence and that's it, that's the job done, right? It's actually something that that needs to be part of the thinking and the practices, the social practices that team members have into some way, shape or form. And if we think of enablement as a requirement setting, right? We are setting the right requirements to support that system of bureaucratic accountability, as opposed to kind of a team topology's view of enablement, which is more we are providers of capability and facilitators of knowledge, right? Which is more kind of the operational value side of things at the other level. I think there's kind of something within that dynamic, right, of what the security team not only sees themselves as doing for the organization, but also what are the actual services or the functions that they bring into the fore to kind of make those words enablement, what that actually means. I think that's kind of where the trick is, or kind of that a different focus will probably lead you to different types of outcomes.